Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a blower motor. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, gather your tools, including a ratchet with an 8mm socket and your new blower motor. Finally, locate the blower motor assembly, which is typically found under the passenger side dashboard, often behind the glove box. Once you have access, you might need to remove a few trim panels or covers. These are usually held by clips or small screws. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Then, using your 8mm socket, unscrew the 3 retaining screws that hold the old blower motor in its housing. Once the screws are out, the motor should drop down easily. Now, take your new blower motor and carefully insert it into the housing, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall the 3 retaining screws, tightening them securely but do not over-tighten. Next, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new motor until you hear a click, ensuring a good connection. This completes the physical installation of the new part. Finally, reattach any trim panels or covers you removed earlier. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Then, hop inside, turn on your ignition, and test the new blower motor by cycling through the fan speeds. It should now operate smoothly and quietly. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.